Walang pasok bukas.
That's it, bro. Nakakapag-aral na rin ako.
Let me just drink some water. You know what this vapor at the mug?
No, do you?
Yes, actually I do. Let me explain this to you. The first things you need to know are the phases of matter.
I know those. They're solids, liquids, gases, plasmas, and most I think condensate.
The two phases we need to focus on are liquids and gases. Do you know what evaporation means?
Yeah, it's when water boils and turns to vapor.
That is where you are wrong. Evaporation basically means that the surface of the water or the liquid turns from liquid to gas. While boiling is a bulk process that involves a liquid to reach its boiling point just for it to boil.
I now understand boiling, but how can a liquid evaporate when it's not even hot?
That has something to do with KMT or kinetic molecular theory, which states that all molecules or particles move randomly. Added to that, when two molecules or particles bump into each other, the transfer from one molecule to the other happens that causes individual molecules or particles to evaporate on their own.
So, you're saying that even if the average energy of a substance will get it to boil, part of that energy will pass on to individual molecules will give it enough energy to change phases?
Yeah, and now you understand evaporation.
I do, but it will do what uses it has.
That's beneficial and disastrous consequences. But first, you need to know it's an influential matter. Examples of these effects are droughts, distillation, and even rain.
Yeah, well, rain, evaporation is part of the water cycle, and droughts occur when there's not enough water and the land dries up. And distillation is what happens when scientists purify and clean their chemicals.
Dab, you know so much. Now you need to know the factors that affect it. The most commonly known is obviously temperature. Added to that is the kind of substance that we use and the wind, which also actually affects temperature. But
Yeah, well, temperature heats up the molecules, and different types of substances evaporate at different rates. And wind spreads the vapor so it doesn't condense quickly.
Yo, what are you guys talking about?
We're talking about evaporation.
evaporation.
Nice. I have a question for you. What's the difference between alcohol and water?
The smell?
No.
Yes.
No, we're talking about evaporation. It's the evaporation rates.
Oh.
Why don't you guys come with me and I'll show you an experiment?
No.
Okay.
Let's start by putting droplets of alcohol and droplets of water.
I see a hand fan here. Are you going to fan the liquids?
Yes.
Probably. Now, Zach, let's add 3 droplets of water and alcohol each. 1, 2,
Done.
3. Now you see they have equal amounts.
Now let's start fanning the liquids.
Wow, the alcohol is evaporating faster than the water. Why is that?
Well, like everything, water and alcohol have molecules, while water has stronger bonds between molecules than alcohol does.
Kita mo yon? Et Malu. Lodi.
Thank you, Alex, for showing me an experiment about evaporation. And thank you to Anton for showing me what evaporation really is.